My name is Dr. Asopa. I am a retired professor from the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. I was also the director of IIM Indore, founder director. I had knee problem and was advised knee surgery almost 12 years ago. But I didn't want to go for surgery, but then I saw many people in my family had surgery, and one particular surgeon, Dr. Saurabh Goyal, is the one who did surgery on all of them and all successful. So I thought I should meet him. So I met him in the month of October. Again, I could not muster enough courage, so I waited until March and then went for surgery. Contrary to my apprehensions, it was a very smooth affair. Dr. Goyal is a fine surgeon. He leads a team of competent doctors, all caring. Particularly the team members are Dr. Renu Goyal, Dr. Fennel and Dr. Monty. And they have other colleagues also. You know, the important thing is they are all caring. They want to get you well. They want to, take care of your pain or whatever issue you have it. Dr. Goyal is accessible and easy to converse. That's very important in a surgery, because you want doctor to be accessible all the time. I chose this hospital essentially because it's a new hospital, and I thought the services would be good and the environment should be clean. Truly, it is a clean hospital. The environment is good. Not only the doctors are good, but these nursing staff and the ward boys, they're all very good. They all want to, do things for you, make you happy. And so I go today with emotions of, I should say, gratitude. And thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Goyal and others.